probably about like 240, 250. We see one crack, but it's really small. It's starting to ooze out like little bubbles. So I think we're almost there.
I have a lot of really sticky rubber bands.
When it explodes, we're probably all gonna explode too. We're probably all gonna bust. It'll probably be a good time to go get goggles. Okay.
You're fine.
Oh, it's like super wet.
Yeah, keep going.
Yeah. We're probably about 280. We're almost at 300. 300 is usually where it starts to crack and explode. So we're getting pretty close. Yeah, it's starting to freeze out. This took in forever. I think we record till it pops because I do not want it to pop off camera.
And you're only about 20 minutes in.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, bro.